Hi, my name is Dr. Inacio. I'm from the village of Anjuna, and all of us present here are villagers. Today was the Gram Sabha supposed to be held in the Anjuna Panchayat, which was directed by the BDO's office, because the requisite number of Gram Sabhas to be held in this village is not being done on a regular basis. Now, before the Gram Sabha meeting could also start, before the agenda could even be placed, the minutes of the previous meeting was raised, and there were a lot of issues. Amongst this, one of the issues which was raised in the previous Gram Sabha by Anna talked about the NOCs and the licenses given for these mega events and for these festivals and for the noise pollution. At this point of time, when I raised my query on the same regarding the noise pollution, regarding the events, not even seated in the Gram Sabha but standing at the doorway were the following members. The first one to speak up was Mr. Carlos Fernandez. The second was a man who I know only as Mocambo, who I thought was a helpful person who is supposed to be head of some union. And these are the guys who started verbally raising their voices and not allowing me to speak, not allowing me to complete. Now, in the interim, when this was happening, when I just turned to one side, from the door, as you will be able to see possibly in the video later, from the entrance of the Gram Sabha hall, Mr. Gajanan Tilve, who has on previous occasions also threatened me when I have taken video recordings of the violations being done by Purple Martini venue. So in this occasion, what he did was he just came from the door, pushed me. I fell about 1 to 2 meters, and after that he hit me on my head and on my face. And after that the police came in immediately. Even after the police have come in, he still managed to get 1-2 hits on me. I have, as of now, registered a complaint. We are waiting for the police to send me for a health at the Sholim Health Center. And we hope that an FIR will be registered today. This complaint has been forwarded to Madam Delilah Lobo. I request you, ma'am, as a doctor, if in the Gram Sabha this is allowed, and anyone from outside, not even interested in the issues of the village, is able to rile people up, is able to agitate villagers, local villagers, and get them to disrupt a Gram Sabha and even come and violently abuse someone in front of the panchayat, the villagers, and I do not know what is the future of Anjuna village. And the entire issue that I have picked up in this year was about noise pollution, was about maintaining the decorum set by the state, by the High Court of Goa, by the Pollution Control Board. These men, this Mr. Carlos, this Mr. Gajanan Tilve, this Mr. Mocambo, and even Mr. Sabi from the Comunidad was very verbally abusive. There were a lot of local villagers who run a lot of shops like chai stalls and food stalls, which I have never complained about. Now, what this entire community, this noise polluting community, let's call them, what they are trying to do is they're trying to rile people up who have these small venues and say that I am against them. I am not against any local or any villager trying to earn their living. I'm against these venues that are polluting the environment. Just before the noise pollution issue could be raised, there was an issue mentioned in the panchayat about umpteen number of villas by Wainar, by other construction companies, and these are illegal in every sort without any licenses. And even after the violations have been noted, the panchayat has given them a show cause notice about 2 months back. No action has been taken. We want to address this issue at whichever level. Who will take action with all the atrocities going on in Anjuna, with all the panchayats all over Goa unanimously saying they do not want sunburn, they do not want these mega events? Why are we allowing these events? Today is the 3rd day of a mega event in Anjuna by the name of Motoverse. Such events are very destructive and they create chaos in the environment. We require tourism, but tourism has many facets. we can have educational tourism, we can have medical tourism, we can have religious tourism. Why are we so fixated on this current form of tourism that is not only taking away our lives, our peace, our sleep, as Justice Valmiki of the High Court of Bombay at Goa has put it, but it is also taking out the future of our children. What we leave today, what is remaining today in Anjuna is but something that we have gotten from our forefathers. We owe a responsibility to our children to leave it in the same way as it was found. At the moment, it's a very disturbing scene, because if someone can just randomly pop into a Gram Sabha and hit someone, and the police then tell me that I have to keep quiet, I have to stay on the side, which is what I have done. I trust the Goa police and I trust that they will register the FIR. So let us wait and let us be hopeful about the complaint that has been made by me, and the villagers have also made a complaint, because while these villagers were trying to protect me from this mob, a mob that came to attack me in the presence of the police, the mob also decided to attack the villagers. So a few of the villagers along with me will be heading to the health, and we will get inspected. Thank you so much, and please, if possible, share the word so that this nuisance and this conglomerate that is there here in Anjuna should be neutered. Should be neutered at the base. This should not happen. This should not happen in any village in Goa, in any village in India, in any village in the world. This should not happen. Something as beautiful as Goa should retain its beauty, and we should not be